everyone, it's me again, Muldita Mainurika. Here we are in chapter 18. In this chapter, we will learn about concept DHCP server and DHCP client, DHCP server and DHCP client configuration practice, and fixed address DHCP server. Let's jump right into the first topic, the concept of DHCP server and DHCP client. Well, DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. DHCP is divided into two parts, my friend, a DHCP server and a DHCP client. So, RTR Ubuntu will act as a DHCP server, while the client Ubuntu server 1 and server 2 will act as DHCP client. Currently, the Ubuntu client server 1 and server 2 have manual IP address with assigned them manually, but later will configure them to option IP address automatis. So we'll test RTR Ubuntu to see if it can automatically assign IP address to other VMs since RTR Ubuntu is acting as a DHCP server. Okay, let's move on to the second topic, practical configuration of the DHCP server and DHCP client. Let's jump right into the Ubuntu client and then remote connect to the RTR Ubuntu system. The first step in configure the DHCP server is to install the ESC DHCP server application. You can run sudo apt install ESC min DHCP server min server. Select yes and prompt the wait for the installation to complete. Now that it's up and running, we can edit the configuration file within the application. Run sudo nano /etc /default /esc min dhcp min server. Under the interface via for section add npost 8 and npost 9 because the server and client are connected via npost 8 and npost 9. Don't press Ctrl X, Y, and Enter. After that, we'll reboot so the DHCP server process runs smoothly. Sudo reboot. Now it will automatically boot into the Ubuntu client. We can see the Ubuntu screen here, it's still rebooting. So let's just wait everyone. Once it's done, we'll connect remote again. Next, edit the file again sudo nano /etc /dhcp /dhcpt.conf. Then you can edit the /likely section directly. Here simple, remove the hash symbol and then edit the setting to match your network topology. On you can set the X, Y, enter. Then restart the service systemctl status SSH. To confirm it's active, ya guys. Let's go to the client to configure the DHCP client. Then check the IP address, IPA. This is the IP address we had before obtaining an IP automatics. Next, click on wired setting. Change the IP configuration from manual to automatic. Click apply. And then disable and enable the connection. Then restart the service with sudo netplan apply. Check the IP address here with no obtained. Yes, this is the IP address we received automatic. Next, let's try pinging the router. We can also ping 8888 and google.com. This worked too. Okay, let's move on to the last topic, the DHCP server with a fixed address. So we're going to configure it on RTR Ubuntu. Type sudo nano /etc /dhcp /dhcpd.conf. Then use Ctrl+V to search for host Fantasia. And edit it as needed. On your down, press X, Y, then enter. And restart with sudo system restart systemctl restart ist dhcp server. Next, on the Ubuntu client, disable and enable the network. Then restart with sudo netplan apply. Then check IPA. If the IP address has changed, that means it's worked. I think that's enough for this chapter. See you in the next video. Bye bye.